How to disable or hide contact suggestions from share screen or share sheet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can disable or hide contact suggestions from share screen or share sheet. So what I mean by that is whenever you're trying to share something like this, you get the contacts right here on this bar. Now, if you want to remove that or if you want to simply hide that, what you'll need to do is you'll need to change something on your settings. So let's begin. So first things first, you'll need to open up your settings. On your settings, simply scroll down. And after you scroll down, you'll need to find an option that says CD and search. Sometimes it's not CD and search, sometimes it's just different like this. So if it's different, tap on CD. After you do that, scroll down and there you'll find the suggestions section. Then under suggestion sections, you'll find show when sharing. This option right here, toggle this button off. After you toggle this button off, you can then go ahead and share whatever you want. So let's head over to my photos again. And on the photos, if I tap on share, you will notice that the contact is now gone. And that's basically how you do this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.